Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and back to the next installment of my diecast car customization series, which I like to call Pimp My Diecast. We're gonna basically continue to add modifications to the 1/18 scale Cadillac EXT by Anson. You guys remember we did some few changes on the last video. We gave it custom rims and painted those rims black. We painted the brake disc black and the brake calipers yellow. We also lowered the car, and we also added custom driver and passenger side windows, which does not come with this model. Alright guys, so the first thing that we're gonna do on this one is we're gonna peel the license plate. As you guys can see, it's just a sticker. Doesn't really look realistic. I don't like it at all. So I went ahead and peeled it off carefully, and I went ahead and put it into a perfectly matching size cut piece of plastic, and I just pretty much put the sticker on it. And so now, as you guys can see, it's a little bit thicker. It's actually looks more like a license plate would in real life. And I'm actually not even gonna put it back in the front bumper because I rarely see them like that in real life. Now I also went ahead and I masked the paint area of the grill, which I already took apart and detached, and that's because I'm going to paint it with my trusty Tester's Brilliant Gloss Black marker. And yeah guys, so this pretty much what I'm trying to do with this model at this point is basically inspired by one of these and how they look in real life, pretty much with the black grill. I just thought that would be a really cool different look to this one. It's pretty much the same grill except they just painted black, and I know some of these EXTs came with those painted grills, with those matching color grills. Alright guys, so I already went ahead and painted the grill, and as you guys can see, it's already getting that nice look that I was looking for. I'm just basically placing it, hovering it over the front grill of the car just to see how it's looking, and sure enough, it's exactly what I had in mind. So I really like how it came out. Now I'm just pretty much just gonna peel back all the masking tape. And yeah guys, you want to do this very slow too, because you don't want to peel back any paint, you don't want to peel back any shine. So you guys gotta be very careful when you use masking tape on some of these models, because some of these models paint, especially the lower quality ones, quality of the paint aren't that great, and so sometimes you can easily lift off paint when masking. So just a little bit of advice. So you guys see me doing this very slowly and very careful, very gently like. And yeah guys, now that I finished painting it and I peeled back pretty much all the masking tape, and so now you guys see exactly just how cool this is looking now. Definitely very different, because remember guys, I have a couple of these and I almost didn't like having some of these parked together looking just so almost identical. So this is why I decided to modify one. And yeah guys, so now we have the grill fully painted and detailed just as the one in real life to match more of an EXT look. And so as you guys can see, it looks very clean, very superb. Now for the next type of modifications that I wanted to do are not actually part of the one in real life, but as far as the grill, pretty much that part's done. So the next things that I wanted to do to the truck pretty much are the headlights, guys. All right, now the headlights are cool and they do look clean, but like I said, I have multiple quantities of this EXT Escalade, so I really wanted to have fun with one and really customize it to my vision. So yeah guys, so I went ahead and I took the lights off, pretty much the whole headlight assembly. For that I had to take the grill off again. Some of its pins are held behind the grill, so I had to take the grill off again. And yeah guys, once again I'm gonna use my tester's gloss black marker. And I just pretty much just painted just the outer linings of of the headlights. Now I've seen something like that in real life, but really what inspired me to do this was actually the headlights on AutoArt's Maybach 57S, which is not the same as the Maybach 62 or the Maybach 57 with rims, both by AutoArt. Like, that's the lights that inspired me to do this model. So here we have now both headlights fully painted and detailed already. Now I was debating on whether to keep it with the lights like this, meaning without the actual light cover, because it almost like it allowed for the detail of this new painted black lights to really shine even more and really like, it made it very, very noticeable. Eventually I did put it back with the headlight covers because I just felt that maybe it would just protect the lights and the paint that I just made on it a little bit more. I also decided just to pretty much display the tag right by the windshield wiper. I took it down for a bit, but that's pretty much where I'm gonna put it because already the truck is looking already so different and just giving just such a unique look to it. If you're a Cadillac Escalade fanatic, then you for sure will appreciate what you're seeing right now. Yeah guys, so overall very, very nice, very clean look. And as you guys can see, when the lights are dark, it's almost like it's murdered out, and then when the flash hits it, like you pretty much just see the lights and the outline, and just really, really nice. I was actually very, very pleased with the way this came out at the end. It's almost like every time you start taking a model apart and you want to do some modifications, there's a little bit of uncertainty of how it could come out. You might just damage the item, you might have a little accidental break or something and just cause damage that'll make you regret even taking the plunge into modifying it. But like I said, I have multiple copies of these. The vision of this one was just so like in my head, I was getting tired of seeing them parked right next to each other, and those grills and those lights and those rims just looking everything the same. So I like variations, what I mean? I like things to be variated, and so yeah, that's why I pretty much went for this look. And so here we have it with the light cover on, guys. And yeah guys, so with the flash on, it almost like the light covers does dim a little bit of the black detailing on the headlight assembly, but I still prefer to keep it with the headlight cover because even with no flash, or it's still, you can still see it pretty legibly. And yeah guys, overall super cool, super dope. Pretty much looks like some of the aftermarket Cadillac Escalade headlight assemblies that you were able to find on eBay, or I'm sure you can still find some of these headlight assemblies to this day for the real truck, But yeah guys, just a superb upgrade to this one. I like the upgrades I had done to this one before, but now after this one, I feel like now we definitely took it a whole nother notch of customization, and specifically for the better. Alright guys, so now we're gonna go ahead and do a little comparison to kind of get a little before and after vibe. So basically the one on the right is the ERTL 118 scale Cadillac Escalade Ext Fast and the Furious limited edition version. And then the one on the left is basically the Anson Escalade Ext that I fully modified. And I bet by now you guys kind of probably get an idea as to the why I went ahead and did this. You know, notice how now they look almost like two completely separate models, which they are, but prior to doing this, they were pretty much identical except for the wheels that the Fast and the Furious one has. But yeah, guys, just came out super amazing and super dope, and I think we did an awesome job on this one. Alright guys, that's gonna go ahead and do it for this one. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please do make sure to slap a like and subscribe to the channel if you're new. Make sure you turn notifications on so you don't miss any of my future uploads. Hope you guys are having an awesome day out there. And with that one, I'm outie guys. Peace!